What I'd like to make for you today is a Grande Marnier strawberry parfait. If that sounds too difficult, although you'll see in a minute it's not, I have an alternative for you. Simply some strawberries with dark chocolate. That will do just as well. So you want to get some relatively large bowls because we want some drama here to this dessert. Start with just about a tablespoon of orange liqueur in the bottom of a bowl. If you have younger guests joining you or you don't consume alcohol, you certainly can leave this out. But it does make a nice addition to the strawberry parfait. Then we want to put in about a half a cup of strawberries per parfait. And these are just sliced strawberries that have been capped and sliced. And now I want to top that with just simple graham cracker crumbs. And I just crushed these by hand. I didn't use a food processor or anything. A couple of tablespoons per parfait on top. Now it wouldn't be Valentine's without chocolate. So we have some dark chocolate that I'm going to grate on top of this. I'm just going to add just a little bit of dark chocolate. The final step to completing your strawberry Grande Marnier parfait is something that we don't use very much here in the Dinagore kitchen, and that's whipped cream, but it is Valentine's Day. So we're going to use just a little bit of whipped cream for not only some special flavor, but some drama to the top of this Grande Marnier parfait. And then just for some extra special color and look to this dish, we're going to grate a little bit more chocolate on top of that